Namono sana umwanchi umuliyeweta seni kia Ndizi TV nogosemere kone mnakwabiri kugutwara oburigirelia borobia nabo igono gendete kwegokeria emirobiri imigeta seni kia Ndizi TV nebiro bindene ndengo kwarigania asemesa ya mangana maya elindengo manye narebereka gokorekana kora chingongo chonsi inye chense astinse mochi chimitandao asensemo ya Facebook nabo kwenda gutubwatia gwetera Ndizi TV News Digital nabo sense media YouTube gwetera Ndizi TV News asense moya website nabagotonya gwetera www.ndizitv.net iritarane Fridah Kerubo ngo kwaligana bene elinde tosange asobwa mo chinga kitoro cyo kubwatkana no gosaganwa como Women Rep County ya Kirinyaga Njeri Maina uyo tigeretwe chingoma chintinde nigo abaraya basubati babere bago soke bene nabo igo kogikeria egekolikim ekiamagia dap Kenya inse oburayi bwaye Eugene Wamalwa nigo kigendete kuira emeli anomono asa moncholi aberega kwenekwa ase oburayi bwaye mnentire ye moyo kweneki obokolerio bya asensemo yobonchelia nige kyombe ya kebs ya chakiro bolingolia bobone bwebinto imeomochi o Nairobi Manchumulilia ayonga tiari nkwaliganete toskatonyera gwerananda segeke kerbosio elindengo manye amange Mwanchi umuliriria ngo kwaligani bene tosanga sobwamo gochaka bono iga goika omwelio ingo yachaka Amayia yebirebiga niyo kumanyibuna mubunge o West Mugrango Steve Mugaka nigabereka gukwanera etara yo murayi bwense asorwa ngorwa Gusii anamono asensemeli getige chigosoli kia nyantrago okwana nigabaga kwerera emirobiri ababire bakobeka asoko enike mnango agachwa kere waigoni go abaga kwenike gochikubwatrana ne serikali County Nyamira asoko nikia egetigia Nyamaya na kerekyo agachekere asabolia ogosiro korase serikali iyenene ndako nikia obokolerio buya imeye county yo anamono aso ensemo yo kwagacha ebiti na kweneke buna ngosira bale ebyegwa anena sensemo yengo yo waigoni gabolia mwaziri wechisemi Ezekiel Machogu kweneke buna ngukini balenge ebirengo bechisemi ase county yo
Stadium ase ensemo ya Nyanturago ntoiwananite ne president yakro tualingo amasavo stadium ero siwe egetikeriya kia historical uwanja ya Nyanturago boigo ase Nyamira County ninche nsugumane no mugavana togende toebererie president ne serikali toiwanenga egeti kiemechieso kia Nyamaya stadium ikibono igage kigendrete kokolerwa obokarabati igo togo chigokore budget yesaina yokobeka a modern stadium ase egeti kia Nyamaya ase ward ya Nyamaya ase constituency ya West Mugrango chibesa chiria egeti ekikeraganie igo togo chikoebererie county assembly ya ito ebe kechibese content contribution ya Nyamira County ebe kwetangane na injikuru national government igongo suguma president na national government na baro babe ko muchango obo wechibesa chokoro stadium egeretoro stadium ere international once and for all egeko era bono nimbwate Nyamira Super Eagles ego cha bwangu bwatire shabana ucha gosoa ase Premier League ngaito gocha kwa Kerubo pira ihinere home ground yabo ngo baminto tikatubwatera naba Gusii baminto tutwale chi stadium chisaine tali yabo Nyamaya oka chisukuru cheito igo ntegete tubwaterane no mweshimiwa CS Ezekiel Machogu engeko eranchi na rule kubeka chibesa cyane cha CDF asogo developwa ebiti byemechieso as chisukuru cyane chonsi cha West Mugrango.
Homa Deputy County Commissioner of Kisii Central Wilberforce Kilonzo nigo ayanikirimna kubwatikana ne chinguru babere bakoegwa no muraiwense Dr. William Ruto bachikoenekia okobwatirana ne serikali enene na boigo serikali Kisii County asokoenekebuna amagendera onsi abere kagoikirana okwana chinga kibali gosiolia omorobeli bwa machi sensemo ya Kiogoro nigo abolire county ya Kisii ense oboraibwa yo mugavana Paul Simbarati kubenekelia ngamba chikobwatirana anomono chinga kibarabaganie babe bakobarangire.
Kwa majina kama mlivyoelezwa, mimi naitwa Bwana Kilonzo. Mimi ndiye Deputy County Commissioner wa Kisii Central. Na kwa leo namwakilisha County Commissioner wa Kisii ambaye alikuwa na shughuli nyingine, akaniomba nije niweze kujumuika na mheshimiwa governor. Sitakuwa na mengi ya kusema. Kile ambacho ningetaka kuwatangazia wananchi ili muweze kujua ni kwamba mwongozo ambao serikali ya Rais William Ruto imetupatia sisi maafisa wa national government ni kwamba tuko hapa Kisii kushirikiana na county government ya Kisii kuhakikisha kwamba miradi yote ambayo county government inahitaji kusaidiwa na national government tumejumuika na tukahakikisha kwamba hiyo miradi imefaulu. Kwa hivyo ombi langu kwa county government of Kisii ni kwamba mkituhitaji tafadhali mtuhusishe, na tuko tayari kushirikiana na nyinyi kuhakikisha kwamba huduma zinawafikia wananchi. Kwa hivyo naamini kwamba hii ni dalili nzuri na mambo yatakuwa sawa tukiendelea kushirikiana na kuwaunga mkono viongozi wetu. Asanteni sana.
Magiga yekimina negetindi sensemo ya mamiranio ya matera nigo ababui baba kwenyorera libaga goikirana ase omochi onakuru asengencho yokorokia alibabere bagokora anomono bosi bomorai wense aborkyo kurasti skuru aimense ya Kenya baba bagoikirana naboigo abarai ase ense ya Kenya baba goikirana linde ko bakiroli ase obubuyobo okwana omokonyi bomorai wense Rigathi Gachagua nigo aenekia gosira ebiegwa asoko enekebuna nkoegenderere bale.
We looked, because we knew the talent here. These people are in Nyeri, and Your Excellency, I want to confirm, I was told by the people on the ground, they were of very good behavior. We didn't have a single incident of indiscipline for the time they were in Nyeri. And I want to congratulate you and the teachers. And I was told the talent that was there. So nikaona hata sisi watu ya executive tujipange kidogo so that we are not ambushed. So for me to invite the president and to keep to the theme and the tandem of the mood, like that little girl from KBA school, the one of the pop show, she really challenged us. Hata sisi kwa executive tuko na mtu yetu ya hiyo maneno ya hiyo talent. Na huyo ndio nataka akuje atayarishe rais so that we keep to the mood and the whole atmosphere in the hall.
Kubatikana nogo saganwa komo women rep be county ya Kirinyaga Njeri Maina oyobete kagotigirwa chinko machintindi ni gwabara yabasubati babere bagwesokia nabo igoko gikelia egekorekyo okwana isko yebunge ni gobaganya basibatu gosikwa nabo igoko egwa obosibuli bogokora emisangirikano yabo.
When women reps are going round checking on what is ailing our people, the governors or senators feel threatened. And this word leader doesn't make sense to most of our people. Some think when you are a leader and you are earning 7 figures, you are now the topmost. When you are earning 6 figures, you follow that who is earning more. We are rated as how much you're earning, maybe how many bodyguards you have, and your sex. Are you a female or you're male? When you're female, you can imagine what can happen. So Honorable Gasheri's incident is quite unfortunate. We can't throw our fingers, oh, she's not in books with so-and-so, she's not in books with so-and-so. When you are elected, you are on your own. That's why we don't have 2 women reps in Kirinyaga. We have 1. She has people who voted for her, and the others have people who voted for her. What we need to do is to have respect, and the voters will judge at the end of the 5 years that one is in office.
It's very sad. As a young parliamentarian, as a woman, I was looking at the picture of Honorable Gasheri Jeremiah, and it took me back to when we were campaigning. And it took me back to all the incidences that we tried to report as women. And we talk about it, and now there's the 2/3 gender rule that we are trying to implement, and all these things about empowerment of women. But the reality is, even us who we are here, these parliamentarians, I'm a senator nominated under the affirmative action. But I can tell you, the bullying, the violence, it's toxic.
Ekiama gya DAB Kenya inse yoburaiwaye Eugene Wamalwa nigyo kigendete kuira emeli ase amonchorio asensemo yoburai agendete kwenekigwa. Bona nigo mugavana wa county ya Trans Nzoia George Natembeya aberiga kwenyorera libagalia bene asokoba omokonyi bomurai ase kiamekyo asalire eira gokora ogwatanika kwebisaku ase kiamekyo. Waigoni go abaraibande kiamekyo babakwenekia gotinya obokoreri we kiamekyo anene chinga kichobo choli.
Because chama hiki kilizaliwa majuzi tu, it's just slightly over a year old, lakini kilishinda vyama vingi vimekuweko kwa zaidi ya miaka 30 kama ile Ford Kenya mkongwe, kama ANC, kama KANU, na tuliwashinda kutoka kwa vyama karibu 90 tukaja tukawa nambari 5 Kenya hii in less than a year.
Huyu mheshimiwa George ataongezea mengi. He's going to add value kwa leadership ya chama yetu. Nataka kuhakikishia sisi tutatembea na wewe, ile mawaidha mpya utaleta. A new broom, nasema namna gani? New broom inafagia kushinda. Sweeps better, Now this is the new broom.
Kwamba tutajenga chama kuanzia mashinani, chama ambacho kitakuwa very strong. Vile party leader amesema ni chama kipya tu, ni changa, lakini kimefanya mambo, si ndio? Tutaendelea kufanya mambo makubwa. Sisi tunaamini katika demokrasia. Tutapatia kila mtu ambaye anakaa Trans Nzoia, ambaye ako na nia ya kusimama kwa chama chetu, asimame kwa chama chetu na awanie kile kitu ambayo anataka.
Ubunenchereyemo yokwenekia obokoreri obya asensemo yobonchereria nigo ekyombe gya KEBS kemukiri egetambukiro gyokoringoria obonya bwebinto wose mbire bikiranu asobutumeki bw'amanyabantu morobere yugo nigo bakogochakirwa bene asensemo ya isli asibaba kubwaterana nabo bisakorwa ase ekyombe gya kyare nabo igabo bisabo burende ase chiduka chinyinge cyaba chigosiekwa
in KEBS. So today we had planned to raid easily on Ambanti Cosmetics, which we have found they are there and they are very ambutant. We banned these products long time, but they are still coming through what we call fanya routes or through borders, and we have really laid it, but they are still coming. So we have heightened surveillance of these products. On the other hand, these products are very, very, very dangerous to human beings. They are not supposed to be taken because they really cause harm to the skin, and eventually they can damage the kidney and even the brain. Actually, hydroquinone and mercury are very, very, very poisonous. They are hazardous, and they are not supposed to be used by anybody in this country. And since we banned them in cosmetics, we are advising the public not to buy these products and ensure that also those who are selling, we are advising them to stop selling these products. Otherwise, the hand of the government is with you, is on you.
Kubatikana no kwimurungani kwa barwaire igoro yo kuborwa kwa mariogo ase chinyagitari a Amayia Kiambu asobokoreri bwabeire bokwirana nse bananigo county ya Kiambu yaberege koigwa ekirero kya barwaire abwe litkolia rero county yo yabage kwenyorera amariogo ya chiringi chimilioni emerongo ene na ibere asibali eira kwenekia obokoreri burubia.
So, kuna watu wengi wamekuja wengine? Tuko na maina. Kwa hivyo tumefanya mpangilio kamilifu wa kupokea hizi mandawa katika mahospitali zetu ambayo kuna wale waakilishi wametoka county, the county health management team ambayo inaongoza hii timu ya kupeleka hizi mandawa katika facilities zetu, na wakifika kule kwa facility wanakuta committee ya acceptance and inspection ambayo imeundwa pale ikiongozwa na the facility in charge.
Tunaelewa kwamba saa zingine huenda our demand inakuwa juu sana, especially wakati zile request zipo, demand inaenda juu sana na unapata kwamba zile tests zinakuwa exhausted before that time, lakini kwa sasa mipangilio ipo.
Mwancho muligereria korasa robot yoroni na ikiro mwaelio wa mangana ya asebire biga kolende toskato nyegerage koraga ensa emo ayona mange nyara senchira iyo wekirano nabakwenda gutubwatia sense mo chiche mitandao sense mo ya Facebook wetra Ndizi TV News Digital nabiga sense mere YouTube wetra Ndizi TV News sense mo ya website nabagatunya wetra www.ndizitv.net magech kamera soko ene kibina chibicha na boigo maliogia goikera sole asenchira ya bene nere John Kebatiria tariane Fridah Kerubo toskato nyegera papa sikongo chale asege kege Kerubo sio elinde akoletere omoroberio obwechingero twara oboligereria borobia.
Ndizi TV.